What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL, getting ready for two breaks tonight. The first one is our jersey break, and our jersey break is right here. We're ready to rock. Teams are going ahead right now, and we're live in 15 minutes for this. All right, so here we are live. Good luck. See what your teams are going to be. 10:45, just turned 10:46. Got Jason top spot, Brandon spot 28 or 30, as he likes to call it, and then we got Anaheim down to Winnipeg. Good luck. 3 teams missing this stuff, so you only get 28. 1, 2, 3, and timestamp. Timestamp on 3 says 10:46. 10:46. Last and final random. We'll copy them over. Oops. Timestamp on 4 is 10:46 and 10:46. Top spot, San Jose, Florida, halfway mark. And then Chicago down to Arizona. There's your teams. So let's match up some names. 10:46. And we got spot 1 Jason, spot 28 Brandon. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 10:47. 10:47. Last and final. Last and final timestamp. 10:47 and 10:47 it is. Damon, top spot. Suzanne is at the halfway mark. And Danny down to Jason. All right, folks, here's your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in about 15 minutes. Please tag me if any trades. Good luck.